Like I tried to do that
Collaring,
so
just
many
make sure you're
times.
slippery enough.
Okay.
And you can, some people just, they do it like this. And so it's touching here, here, and here like a tripod. 1, 2, 3 points of contact. So you have 6. But you can actually collar in by just doing this. Where I'm just holding it and I'm collaring in this way. There's different ways of collaring in. This one just gets it all at once. And then you might have to do a couple of passes to get, you don't always have to start from the bottom. Let's say I just want this part from here up, just start from here up and collar in from here up. There's a tendency to want to start at the bottom and move all the way up because that's what we do when we're pulling. But when you're collaring, it's not necessary, you only collar in where you need it. Now, some of you may have had this issue where you're pulling and you kind of stay in one place a little bit longer than others because you're not following that same trajectory, you're just kind of stalling. And then you start pushing in, pushing in, pushing in, and some of your clay falls off. Yeah? It's because you need to maintain that distance. I've told people that those little caliper brakes on bicycles, you just need to identify what that distance is and then maintain it as you pull up. So the little, these are calipers. See how they're working together? They're not individual, working alone. You can use the outside of your finger, like I said. And if you find that you've created a lump because of an uneven pull, just kind of smooth it out. Push it down and up until you make it even again. That can help. Okay, so I'll do another pull. It's just a reminder of the cylinder, and then I'll show you a bowl. My thumb couldn't reach at one stage, that's why I just came out with it there later. It's a bit thick down here, so I'm gonna pull a little bit more clay from the bottom. I can't work in unison, so I'm making sure that my right arm is resting on my leg so it's nice and stable. Even though my elbow is free out here because I can't do this very well, so that is where I have to let my elbow go free and focus. I'm kind of collaring at the same time as I'm doing this motion. And again, if you get this black stuff or gray stuff on your wheel, don't worry, it's just interacting with the clay. It's not a problem. It won't affect your piece. All right, I'm just smoothing out some of the clay that's a little lumpy right there. Now, you'll do this for the bowl too, but this is just a reminder for the cylinder. This little sloping part, I want to take it away now. So I'm going to go down to the wheel head. And I tip it out just a tiny bit. This is the only time where I have it gouging towards, but you'll find you'll sometimes hit your piece and it'll carry you around and you'll damage it. That's okay, you'll learn in the beginning. And then you'll learn not how to do that. If you push it up, just take it off some more. All right.